Hi, I'm Lilli and Carey.
And I'm Carey.
You can't actually tell who we
Who's
are,
who,
but the bodies look similar. All right, so let's go ahead. We did a Foxtrot class, and we're here at Northwest Dance. We're here at the Swedish Cultural Center. And we want to just give you a little idea of some of the things that we did tonight so you can review them. They'll always be there. They'll always be up. We worked in a slow, slow, quick, quick rhythm. We also worked in a slow, 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 or a quick, 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 quick. Absolutely. All right, we started off with the basic. If I just swing around here, my arm comes in here.
I settle off to the side.
She drops that arm over. From this position, I have a great connection, but I'm going to make it even a little bit better. I'm going to offer my palm. This is at about my follow's shoulder height.
Have a nice, open, lifted frame.
I am leaning very slightly forward, so is Claire.
As am I.
That allows her to reach back from the hip, and it allows me to push forward so that she can feel me moving. Whether I push to the side, or I push forward, or push back, I always from this position have the ability to move my follow and help her know what I have in mind.
So our basic
is a slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick. Then we added to that a great way to start. It's sort of like, hello, how are you?
Hi, how you doing? Okay.
And we got a
pointed, slow, slow, slow.
So this is like the introduction to a song, but it's also a reset. So if I'm going along, and something gets messed up, I can go ahead and I can fix it with that, and I can start again. It's also a good way to respond to something that's in the music that I can hear. Okay.
The thing that we noticed about that is that we want to lift from the side that we're going. It takes the weight off of that foot and gives us that nice Fred Astaire, Ginger Rogers look. So instead of dropping on the foot, when we do these sides, we're side, shift, side, side, side. So we're going along. Slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, 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 and a slow.
Nice square up.
And keep going.
Quick, quick. Then we added a nice little outside turn. On everything we did tonight, we did our transitions on quick, quick. So hand comes up on the quick, quick. I'm going to step forward,
driving forward.
Slow.
Then really nice and light connection. I'm going to do a little scoop. Slow.
And then she's like, so what's next? And I'm going to say,
side together.
Let's do that. Looks like this.
We're chugging along.
Slow, slow.
Hand up.
I step forward, turn, open up. Slow, slow, yep, slow, slow.
Hand comes up.
Forward, turn, side together. Then we also did forward and backs.
Great for traffic control.
So these are exactly the same energetically between these.
Now we're just going
forward, push back, forward, push back.
Really push them out.
What's important and what Claire does such a beautiful job is that she keeps filling the space.
I step and I keep taking my energy that direction.
So I need to bring her back. Thus, that's where those push-offs become so important.
Instead of just going like, haha, I know this move. I'm really waiting and filling out the space. There, 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 and there, there.
And quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, 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 and slow, slow, and side together.
Then,
promenade.
Under promenade, I get to go forward, yes.
So, from this direction, I'm going to go slow, slow, and with the hinge on the elbow side, open up.
Notice we're totally parallel now.
And I want you to also notice that if Claire gives me a good connection here on this elbow side, I could actually do that with this connection. Slow, slow, in front, right? And I'm going to hand back as I bring her back in front.
So if we're trucking on down,
let's start from here.
Slow, slow. We use that quick, quick to open up, not traveling. We can face off
or
back in front.
Quick, quick, slow. And open up. Face off. Here's that outside turn and
hand up. She's going to lead me down line of dance. Slow, slow, quick, quick. We notice follows that when she is extending that and sending that hand down that way, we're going slow, slow, quick, quick. I can't turn yet. I'm not underneath my own hand. So I'm going to go take that first slow travel and get under my own hand, and then I scoop, and then
I'm opening this connection up to say,
whoop.
let's go that way.
Yep.
Right? So I'm giving her as much information as I can.
One more time going this way. We got our promenade.
Ah, here we go.
Slow, slow, quick, quick, slow. Then I turn, quick, quick, ta-da.
Then we added extensions, which really can be added anytime I'm in backing or promenade. I could go slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, and just change my orientation and bring her in front. Or from promenade, it's even easier because you cut that face off and you're facing with your hip that side line, down line of dance.
Slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick. She's going to hold that angle and continue to push off until she's going to really lead the next thing.
And I think we just did one more thing.
That's right.
We played with an alternating backing. And so, leads, here's your reminder. We've always asked the follows, you did this in the early part of class, to reach back. I cannot do that if I'm here or if I'm here. I need to be a little forward so I can reach and go side together. That will all make sense with us.
Momentarily.